Blood sugar management is crucial for our overall well-being, especially for those who are dealing with conditions like diabetes or simply aiming to maintain stable glucose levels. While medication and a well-balanced diet play a vital role, incorporating the right drinks into your routine can also make a significant difference. In this video, we'll be exploring a variety of delicious and refreshing beverages that possess natural properties to help lower blood sugar levels. These includes diabetic-friendly and delicious alternatives to the most popular fruit juices, which can be extremely dangerous. Just a quick reminder, information contained in this video is for educational purposes only, and shall not be used as a substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. With that said, let's jump in and talk about 12 drinks that have been shown to lower blood sugar naturally. Number 1. Water. Water is a basic yet crucial drink for anyone who is concerned about their health. Drinking water not only helps to regulate the blood sugar level but also promotes better overall health. Studies have shown that staying hydrated is linked to better glucose control and helps in reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Water intake varies depending on the individual, but it is generally recommended that a person drinks around 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. However, some people may need to consume more depending on their daily activities, body weight, and health condition. Drinking water can help control blood sugar levels by promoting the elimination of glucose through urine. It also helps the body flush out toxins, which can interfere with glucose absorption. Number 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a natural remedy for many ailments, including high blood sugar. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerols and shogales, have been found to lower blood glucose levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. This means that when consumed regularly, ginger tea may help the body use insulin more effectively, resulting in lower blood sugar levels. To make ginger tea, slice a small piece of fresh ginger and boil it in a cup of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drinking ginger tea regularly can not only help lower your blood sugar levels, but it can also aid in digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost your immune system. However, it is important to note that ginger may interact with certain medications, so be sure to speak with your healthcare provider before incorporating ginger into your daily routine if you are on medication. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea has become increasingly popular for its many health benefits, from boosting metabolism to fighting disease and lowering blood sugar levels. They contain several active compounds, including polyphenol, which have been found to help regulate blood sugar levels. Polyphenol can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance, which are key factors in controlling blood sugar levels. Green tea can also inhibit the enzymes that break down carbohydrates and slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This can prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after eating a meal, leading to more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. They also contains epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, a potent antioxidant whose anti-inflammatory effects can help regulate blood sugar levels. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next benefit, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. Number 4. Pomegranate Juice. Pomegranate juice is another fantastic option to help lower your blood sugar levels. The fruit is loaded with antioxidants, polyphenol, and elagitannins, which help to prevent insulin resistance and reduce inflammation. Several studies have shown that pomegranate juice can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels. Additionally, pomegranate juice has been found to reduce oxidative stress, which can lead to high blood sugar levels. One study found that drinking pomegranate juice for 12 weeks helped to reduce insulin resistance and lower HbA1c levels, a long-term marker of blood sugar control in participants with type 2 diabetes. When choosing pomegranate juice, make sure to opt for pure juice without any added sugars or artificial ingredients. You can also try making your own juice at home by blending pomegranate seeds with a bit of water and straining out any pulp. Number 5. Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe vera is a popular plant known for its medicinal properties. Drinking aloe vera juice may help to lower blood sugar levels. Aloe vera is rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation and prevent damage to the cells that produce insulin. The enzymes present in aloe vera juice break down sugar and starch molecules, making them easier to digest. They can also help improve the gut bacteria that help break down food, resulting in better nutrient absorption. It is recommended to drink 1 glass of aloe vera juice daily for maximum benefits. When purchasing aloe vera juice, be sure to select a pure form of juice without any added sugars or other additives. Number 6. Kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea that has been enjoyed for thousands of years due to its numerous health benefits. It's made from sweetened black or green tea and a SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. This drink has gained popularity in recent years for its potential ability to lower blood sugar levels. The fermentation process involved in making kombucha results in the production of organic acids, which have been shown to help improve insulin sensitivity. This can ultimately lead to a reduction in blood sugar levels. Kombucha also contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help improve gut health. This is important for people with diabetes since they may be at an increased risk for gut-related issues, such as leaky gut syndrome. Number 7. Black coffee. Black coffee is a great choice for those looking to lower their blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that consuming black coffee can help increase insulin sensitivity, which in turn helps the body better regulate blood sugar levels. They contains chlorogenic acid, which is known to inhibit the absorption of glucose in the digestive tract. This means that when you drink black coffee, less sugar is absorbed by your body, which can help keep your blood sugar levels in check. However, it's important to note that adding cream, milk, or sugar to your coffee can quickly negate any potential blood sugar benefits. Stick to black coffee and avoid adding any sweeteners or dairy products. Number 8. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is an herb that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It is also known for its ability to lower blood sugar levels. Drinking fenugreek water is a great way to incorporate this herb into your diet. To make fenugreek water, soak 1 to 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in a cup of water overnight. In the morning, strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach. Fenugreek is rich in fiber and protein, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. It also contains compounds called saponins, which can reduce the absorption of glucose in the intestines. While fenugreek water can be helpful in lowering blood sugar levels, it is important to note that it may also lower blood pressure. Therefore, people who are taking medication for hypertension should consult with their doctor before adding fenugreek water to their diet. Number 9. Cinnamon water. Cinnamon has long been touted for its ability to lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. It contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which has been shown to increase insulin sensitivity and improve glucose metabolism. To make cinnamon water, simply add a stick of cinnamon to a glass of water and let it steep overnight. In the morning, remove the cinnamon stick and drink the water on an empty stomach. Some people also choose to add a touch of honey to their cinnamon water for a little sweetness. However, if you're trying to lower your blood sugar levels, it's best to skip the honey or use a small amount of a low glycemic index sweetener instead. Number 10. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is not only delicious, but it's also known for its many health benefits. One of those benefits includes lowering blood sugar levels naturally. The active compounds in chamomile tea help to increase insulin sensitivity and stimulate the production of insulin, which in turn helps to regulate blood sugar levels. In a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, chamomile tea was shown to help lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Participants in the study drank chamomile tea 3 times a day for 8 weeks, and at the end of the study, they saw a significant decrease in their blood sugar levels. Drink chamomile tea regularly to help regulate your blood sugar levels naturally. Number 11. Coconut water. Coconut water is a refreshing and natural way to lower blood sugar levels. It is incredibly compatible with our bodies, to the extent that it is occasionally administered directly into the bloodstream as an alternative to intravenous saline in emergency situations. This technique, employed during World War II, continues to be utilized on tropical islands when access to a hospital is unattainable. It is rich in electrolytes, such as potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood sugar and insulin. Coconut water is a refreshing and natural way to lower blood sugar levels. Drinking coconut water can also help with hydration, which is essential for optimal blood sugar control. Additionally, coconut water contains antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and prevent damage to the pancreas, a vital organ for blood sugar control. It is low in calories and sugar compared to other sweetened drinks, making it a healthy choice for people with diabetes or those looking to maintain their blood sugar levels. Number 12. Beetroot Juice. Beetroot juice has become increasingly popular among health enthusiasts due to its high nutritional value. Not only is it rich in vitamins and minerals, but studies have also shown that it can help lower blood sugar levels. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that drinking beetroot juice significantly reduced postprandial, after-meal, glucose levels in participants with type 2 diabetes. Another study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that beetroot juice improved insulin sensitivity in overweight and obese adults. So how exactly does beetroot juice help lower blood sugar? It's believed to be due to its high content of dietary nitrates, which can improve the function of blood vessels and enhance blood flow. This can improve the uptake of glucose into muscle cells, thereby reducing blood sugar levels. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you never miss a video. We wish you all the best for your health and well-being.